Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
So it's Saturday and we are on a road trip, and guys, we leave from last night, me and the hubby, and I was so damn exhausted, but anyway, I drove most of the way and let the hubby sleep, and then he took over and I don't drive no more. But yeah, I didn't vlog or anything. It was just all about driving, and so hopefully I can find some goodness for now. But good up friend. All right, so okay guys, I'm here and here in Waterbury, and there's nothing going on, I have to say, but I'm gonna make the best of my night. So we are going out for a few minutes. I guess we could call it a meet and greet, but that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm just gonna do that, come back here and eat up some shrimp and have myself a nice bedtime and get ready for the next day. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. Check a couple of emails, and that's about it. So I guess I'll see you guys later when there's something to vlog. It's not going to be boring. So we're out with my husband, and we are going to New Haven, Connecticut. Do you like my hair, guys? Comment below and let me know if you like it. Kind of feel myself with that. It looks like it's gonna rain still, but it's not raining right now. It's just really bleaky and damp. It's not a good day to go to the flea market, but I don't have a choice. I got things that I have to do. So yes, we are on the way to flea market.
Flow live in the mix.
If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. Say I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl. Step up. No, make a test.
Alright guys, but I tell you, I go inside at the flea market and I couldn't even dare take out my camera. I said the place cool. I could not vlog, y'all. I could not vlog, it was too freaking cold. It was just too cold. Jesus Christ, me say, I know my hand them coming like iceberg. I know if you fuck say, me can't live back in Connecticut, you know. Me can't do it. Jesus Christ. Me say, I know me never know spot me there. Me still confused. Cold as fuck. Jesus. Boy, me cold. Me say, I could not take out my camera to vlog. It was just extremely cold, and not only it's cold, but it's windy too. I'm too damn cold. I love me some Atlanta, for real. No sir, I'll be cool, me cool. I try to get some stuff. It's just cold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait until the weather really change down here before I come back. I can't come back until the weather change. No sir. Me say, me never know me there. Me still, my brain frozen. Froze up bad. So here's what's gonna happen. I have one more stop to make. Husband have some things that he has to do, and so I am going to catch up with you guys later. So hi guys, I'm finally home. Not home. I'm at my friend's house, and her house is so pretty. I'm going to show you a little tour of our house. So let me show you my friend. There she is. She don't want to be on camera. You know you gotta be a camera. She don't want to be in camera, guys. She don't want to be on camera.
Right.
But this is basically her house right here. I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. Now copy and paste our thing, you know. But that's a show now, little thing or she believe in a interior decorating. So that's her living room right here. Her sofa. The best thing about this room is her curtain. You see how the curtain is? That is her curtain right there. Pretty. Nice. Look at that. That is to die for. Beautiful. And then she have another curtain right there on that side. And her TV over there. Isn't that beautiful, guys? That is beautiful. And this is her dining area. It is blue, that pretty navy-ish blue.
And let them know is
You better tell them, all of them. Let you tell them. I'm letting you tell. So she's gonna tell you about her house.
Is autism for my dining room because my son has autism.
Okay.
And that's it.
You gone. You better come talk. You better. Come for the camera. We always up on camera. This is your time. This. No, you don't, Erica. No, you need to come on the camera. This is your time. You're always on camera and taking pictures. This is the time to show yourself to the world. Okay. Because people all over the world will be seeing you right now.
I know.
Let's take us on a tour. You come better explain your pieces. Go ahead, Erica. Go ahead. Explain your house. This is going to be worldwide. I'm going to edit everything.
Okay. Well,
just what you want to start with first. I was starting off with your living room. Go ahead.
You did it. I like the way you do it.
But you were going to explain your colors and stuff.
No. Just the dining room? Just the dining
everything
room?
about your house. I mean,
My dining
the girl house is beautiful. I don't know why she's not trying to tell you guys.
Because I'm not good at stuff like
Come
that.
on. Yes, you are. Go ahead.
The dining room is inspired.
This is the kitchen area.
My son.
Right.
With autism, and he picked out the colors.
Oh, he did.
So yes, he picked out the my dining table, my dining chairs, and
keep talking.
Picked the colors. He said he wanted yellow and blue, and we did yellow and blue. As we all know.
And that's in the dining room.
Right.
This is not the dining room, guys. This is the kitchen area. But this is a dining room. That's a dining room right there.
Yeah. And
so we have the black splash yellow. So you can see how pretty that is, guys. Now, guys, you know, this is what she does also. She loves beauty. So if you want her to get in touch with you and do your house, yeah, she'd be more than happy to help you to do her house. And y'all could discuss the price. What it's gonna cost to get your house looking like this. But this is all her work. All of this is all her work.
Yes.
Right, Erica?
Yes, it is.
So and this is the kitchen with the light there. But that's the kitchen.
Yeah,
now, so her bedroom.
Okay.
So that's the kitchen, the stove and stuff. You see how pretty that is, guys? She did all of that.
Just my bedroom. That's it.
You're bad. Oh, look at this.
That's what I was telling you. The wall.
Look at that wall, y'all.
I love mirrors, as you
Look
guys
at
can see.
this. And she had this in the living room too. I don't remember if I showed you guys that. But she also has this on the living room wall.
Yes, I love mirrors.
It's just mirrors all over this wall. It's just different kinds of shape. The shapes are the same. The sizes are different.
Right.
So that's on the hallway wall. Ain't that pretty? Now this is where magic happens, in the bedroom. Look at that wall right there.
Very inexpensive.
Yeah, you can explain about this.
TJ Maxx is my best friend. Pretty much. TJ Maxx. Headboard, TJ Maxx, nightstands. I just love TJ Maxx, Home Goods. Those are my stores. That's it. Carpet, TJ Maxx.
That's very affordable, right?
Yeah. Cost $50 each piece.
Oh wow, that ain't bad.
Yeah. That's it.
And you got a little mirror right here.
Closets and
That's me. Yay!
like I said, I love mirrors, so I'm gonna.
Yeah, mirrors are everywhere.
Yes.
See, guys, look at that. Are there some magic up, Nina? Look for yourself with magic, and then you got your TV right there.
Right. I choose to get the little TV because me is not a TV person. We love my music.
Look at the lamp. And tell us about why you choose that lamp for this particular room. Because that lamp blends right in with everything else. See? That is pretty. That is so nice. Now look at here. Look. Big things are going on, son peeps. Look there. Why? Why? Girl, I smell good. Why? Girl, I smell good. Girl, I smell good every time. Straight.
I was on the street last night and then did I chat one little girl who always live on the road.
She always do. What I don't know.
I love this, you know?
That. Where did I get that? Burlington.
Oh, you got the Burlington?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Burlington, yep.
That is real nice.
See, I'm not a dresser person. I don't like big dresser. I don't like bedroom sets. I'm not into that. I'd rather create my own
stuff, yes. And that's why it looks so different.
Right.
Because usually when you go into people's bedroom, everything is just like blended.
I hate
but it's a little pop-up, everything. I like that curtain right there. It's just a
white.
neutral white.
Yes. Snow White.
And that
I
lamp.
love it.
It's nice. It's comfortable in here. But yeah, girl, I have to smell good every time. Yes, peeps.
And that's it.
Yeah, right.